Hi guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can download Kotobee Reader because this will be our application in opening our e-module. So you need to go to Play Store and then type Kotobee Reader. So this is Kotobee Reader. Click install and then wait for it to finish installing. And then open it. So this is the interface of Kotobee Reader. You need to give Kotobee Reader an access to your photos, medias, and files on your device so that it can open our e-module. Okay, once your Kotobee Reader is installed in your computer, you need to download syempre your e-module. If you have an internet connection at home, or meron kayong data, you can go to your GC because I will send you the link to our module. So, here I already have the link for a week 1 module. If you don't have internet connection, you can go to your classmates sa inyong barangay na kapitbahay mo lang and have it shared with you through Share It or Bluetooth, or you can go to a vocal teacher assigned in your barangay, or you can text me so that I can give you a copy of it kung wala kayong internet connection. However, if you have, go to your GC and then look for the link that I sent and then click that link. Ayan. So, pag na-click mo na yung link, it will direct you to the module. So, it couldn't be previewed because Google Drive does not have an application to open a KPUB2 file. So, once open, you need to click the download button here. So, if you click that, the file will be downloaded. So, Google Drive will tell you that it cannot access this file, or it cannot scan this file for viruses. Don't worry, wala yang virus. So, you have to click download anyway. And then, wait for your files to be downloaded. So, the file name is Introduction to the Philosophy of the Human Person, Week 1-1, KPUB2. Okay? So, our file now is downloading. Okay, kapag na-download nyo na, hanapin nyo lang sa file, sa cellphone niyo. Hanapin sa files. So, in my case, sa download siya. Downloads. So, pag na-download na, i-open nyo lang yung Kotobee Reader and then open EPUB file. Ngayon, hanapin nyo kung saan nakasave yung inyong dinownload. So, nandito siya, Introduction to the Philosophy of the Human Person. And then, you click that. Hintayin mag-extract. And while extracting, by the way, 600 plus MB itong ating e-module. Kasi, meron ditong mga videos and audios na kasabay. Okay, ayan. So, ito yung itsura ng ating e-module. Ito yung itsura ng ating e-module. So, nandito yung table of contents. Ayan. Buksan natin yung una. Ito yung cover page. So, dito sa gilid, pwede mong i-click ito para sa next page. Ayan. So, mapupunta ka sa next page. pwede mong i-click dito sa baba yung chapters para makita mo yung mga chapters. So, nandito na tayo. So, dito tayo sa What is Philosophy. Kapag click mo yung drop-down arrow sa gilid, so, meron pa siyang laman. Yan. To. So, before that, balikan natin yung what I know, pre-test. So, meron ditong pre-test wherein kailangan yung masagutan. So, pre-test, ibig sabihin, hindi pa ito nadi-discuss. So, titingnan natin kung meron na kayong alam. So, halimbawa, yung number 1, the Western philosophical tradition originated in China. And then, you select the answer and then click next for the second question. What is the science and art of correct thinking? Maybe logic. So, next. So, that's it. Pag tapos ka na dyan, you move on to the next. So, this is, you read this, what is philosophy? And then, you do this activity. As you can see, this is activity 1.1, picture analysis, wherein you will need to analyze the picture. So, dito, you can write, pag may nakita kayong question and then may box sa ilalim, it means that you can write your answer on that box. You can also put a note in this. Try muna nating sagutan. So, the question number 1 is, what do you notice from the picture? I notice that there are people surrounding. So, you can write your answers in these boxes. So, if you want to clear your answers, you just click the button, clear answers. Okay, and that is automatically saved, by the way. Okay, if you want to put a note in your e-module, if, let's say, for example, you cannot answer, there is no box under a question, what you need to do is to highlight the text that you want to answer and then click note. You click this pencils sa taas. Okay, so when you click that, you can put your note here. I noticed that there are people. So whatever you wanna say, and then you save. Okay, so let's move to the next page. So this is another page. You need to read that. Okay. Next, definition of philosophy. Now, if you see this one, this is an audio symbol, meaning I have explained that paragraph above. So, all you need to do is to click the play button and it will play.
Ang definition ng philosophy ay love of wisdom. Dahil ito ay nagmula sa dalawang Greek words.
Okay, so that is me speaking. So, you can hear my beautiful voice. Okay, so there are several of that in this module.
Ang origin daw ng philosophy ay Greece.
So that is again me. Okay, let us move to the next page. So there is another audio.
So, natuklasan ni Thales ng ultimate staff na
Okay, so that is audio. Okay, so if you see a play button, that is an audio file or a video file. So this is, you scroll it to be able to read the text below. Okay, next. Okay, there are also videos in this. This is another audio file. So, meron akong ditong video. Where is that video? Okay, andito siya. So, this is a video explaining these things above. Kung ayaw mo siyang basahin, you can watch my video.
So, ang topic natin in this video is philosophical reflection.
So that is me.
Pag sinabi nating reflection, this is an activity na kung saan kakailanganin mong i-examine.
Okay, enough of that. Then let us move to the next, or what else? Okay. For this one, this is another this is an exercise where you will answer again the question. What does Plato mean when he says unexamined life? Ayan. So you answer that. Then submit answers. Okay. The same goes with this one, what I have learned. And you will also need to do this concept mapping, or AQAL framework. So, about COVID-19 pandemic. So, may explanation ako about dyan, dun sa video kanina. So, be sure to watch the video pala. Ito. Or just read the text. Okay, what else you need to know? So, if you click this media, it will show you the pictures, the audio, and the videos embedded in this module, e-module. So, kung meron lang naman kayong cellphone na pwedeng magamit na Android phone, ito na lang yung gamitin nyo instead of yung printed module. So, let me know if you want to have a printed one or this e-module. Thank you!